If you've entered the wrong passcode on your Apple Watch too many times, around 10 attempts, it will lock and erase all data. This is a security feature designed to protect your information. This lockout is triggered when the Erase Data option is enabled in the Watch app on your iPhone under Passcode settings. Unfortunately, there's no way to bypass this security measure. The watch will display a message like iPhone unpaired or unable to connect. Your only option is to erase the device completely and restore it from a backup or set it up as new. The reset process depends on whether your Apple Watch is paired or unpaired. If it's paired with your iPhone, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap General, then Reset, and select Erase All Content and Settings. Your Apple Watch will show a confirmation prompt. Tap Erase All to proceed. If your Apple Watch is unpaired, you'll need to put it into recovery mode. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Follow the on-screen prompts to erase all content and settings. After erasing, pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone during setup. If you have an iCloud backup, you can restore from it. Without a backup, set it up as a new device. Ensure your iPhone runs iOS 17 or later for full compatibility. For cellular models, contact your carrier to fully disconnect the watch after reset.